There's something magical about homemade bread, the way it fills your home with warmth and the irresistible smell of fresh-baked goodness. Let's make a simple rustic loaf together. Here's what you'll need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, a drizzle of olive oil. Start by combining the flour, salt, sugar, and yeast in a large bowl. Slowly add the warm water while stirring. The water should feel like a gentle bath, not too hot, not too cold. When the mixture comes together, turn it onto a floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Push, fold, and turn. It's a soothing rhythm. You'll know it's ready when the dough is smooth and slightly springy. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it with a damp cloth. Let it rest in a warm spot for about an hour until it doubles in size. Use this time to brew a cup of tea and enjoy the anticipation. Once risen, punch down the dough gently to release the air. Shape it into a round loaf or your favorite style. Place it on a parchment-lined sheet and let it rise again for about 30 minutes. This second rise makes all the difference. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, make a few gentle slashes on top of the loaf with a sharp knife. This helps it expand beautifully. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. And there it is, your rustic homemade bread, crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside. Perfect with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey. Bread is more than food, it's a gesture of love. Share it, savor it, and feel the joy of creating something so simple yet so special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves homemade bread. Let us know in the comments how your loaf turned out.